Hi, I'm James. Today I'll be introducing the MB137 EVO SCE crimping machine from Manuli Hydraulics. This benchtop crimping machine is designed for assembling hoses for field repairs. Its compact design allows it to be used in a wide range of work environments while still delivering reliable performance. The MB137 EVO SCE is highly versatile, making it an ideal solution for technicians who need an efficient crimping system. Designed with precision and safety in mind, this machine features an extensive range of dies suitable for crimping hydraulic hoses. To power on the machine, rotate the red main on-off switch clockwise to the in position. This crimper is fitted with the SCE Bluetooth control panel, providing advanced functionality and ease of operation. Before crimping any hoses, it is important to check the required crimping diameter. This machine is equipped with a Bluetooth module that allows the crimping parameters to be received from the Manuli Crimp app. When using the app, you can select the hose and fitting type to be crimped, and the corresponding crimping diameter will automatically be transferred to the SCE control panel. After the crimper receives the data from the Manuli Crimp app, the gun icon on the control panel will flash on and off. It is now time to insert the appropriate dies into the crimper. To start the motor, press the green on button, press the gun icon on the control panel, press the close die button to close the crimper head. To remove the die set, insert the magnetic tool into the crimping head until the magnets are in contact with the dies. Extract the dies by pulling on the tool. Insert the dies into the crimper head using a firm, swift motion. Press the trigger and remove the tool. For non-Bluetooth crimpers, you can manually enter a crimp diameter on the home screen by selecting the Crimp Without Reference button. Enter the specified crimp diameter using the keypad. Insert the appropriate die set as shown previously. Place the ferrule over the hose. Then fit the insert into the ferrule and hose. Position the hose assembly in the center of the crimping head. Press the close button until the head fully closes. Press the open button to release the crimped hose. Ensure that the crimp specifications and final crimp was accurate by checking the crimp diameter using calibrated verniers. Available accessories include die storage panel and table, electrical foot switch, digital caliper, specialised die sets which further expand the machine's capabilities, allowing it to be configured for almost any job. Maintenance kits are also available to keep the equipment in proper condition following instructions in the user manual. Compact yet powerful, the MB137 EVO SCE benchtop crimping machine makes hose crimping simple, efficient and reliable. If you have any questions about this machine or other hose crimping solutions, please contact your local Manuli Hydraulics sales representative or visit our website today.